Before we begin this video, please subscribe right now and click the notification bell to get news on Asante Kotoko.
What's up guys, welcome back to the channel, welcome back to Daily Porcupine, the ultimate Kotoko fan channel. Today we'll be talking about transfers and today we'll be talking about Asamoah Gyan. Now most of you must have heard about the transfer news of Asamoah Gyan to Kotoko, and I want to give you an update on that transfer news. We all know the new CEO Nana Posa is trying to bring some changes to the club, transfer policy, sponsorship policy, amount of players that should be in the club. So he's trying to get some players out and he's trying to bring some experienced players and some good players, even youthful players, into the club. So it's going to take some time, but I'm hoping he will get things right. Now about Asamoah Gyan, now Asante Kotoko, we are negotiating with Asamoah Gyan over a possible transfer to Asante Kotoko since the player is a free agent player. But the problem is that Asamoah Gyan is requesting $400,000 as a signing on fee to join Kotoko, which Kotoko management find outrageous. It is outrageous. Personally, to me, it's outrageous because he's close to retirement, and a club like Kotoko, even though they can afford that amount, they can actually invest that money in some other important and very useful aspects or departments in the club. So the $400,000, Kotoko couldn't meet that price tag. Moreover, Asante Kotoko have recently placed a ban or abolished the signing on fee. This means that whenever they sign a player, there is no signing on fee in the contract. Let's say the player is supposed to sign for Kotoko and they agreed that his contract will be 2,000. Normally, let's say they agree his salary per month to be 2,000 Ghana cedis. And now with the new policy Nana Posa is bringing, it means that since there will be no signing on fee, they will take the signing on fee and add it to your salary. So instead of 2,000 per month, you'll be taking like 5,000 per month until your contract runs out, because they have added the signing on fee to your monthly salary. So that is the new policy Nana Posa is bringing to Kotoko, and that is why they are not willing to give Asamoah Gyan $400,000. It's an outrageous price. Even if Kotoko can afford it, personally I'll be against it because it's too big for a club that is trying to rebuild and build the club back or take the club back to its glory days. I think $400,000 as a signing on fee is very big and very outrageous. So Kotoko have ended the talks, or they have halted the talks because they can't pay that amount. It is still unclear if Asante Kotoko will continue negotiations with Asamoah Gyan, because Nana Posa is trying to bring some experienced popular players to the club to reignite the fans and also bring people to come watch the players play match in stadiums and all that. So I think what they have done so far is reasonable, it's understandable, because that amount is too huge. And I think if at all Asamoah Gyan wants to play for Kotoko, he would mention a very reasonable and affordable price for both parties. So I think that's all for today, and Kotoko is still struggling to sign 2 more players. I will give you updates about that in another video. So I think that's all for this particular video. If you haven't subscribed, you know what to do. Subscribe right now and click the notification bell. Till next time guys, goodbye.